Yo, what's popping? That was weak. Let me try that again. Yo, what's popping, guys, and welcome to a little bit of an announcement video. Again, sorry for that first week. Yo, uh, OBS was lagging a bit. We're fine. We're here. How are you doing? I'm Deku. I'm doing pretty good. You're not Deku, or maybe you are Deku. And in case if you are Deku, hey, how's it going? And if you're not, hey, how's it going? All right, so I am here to make a bit of an announcement for anybody who wants to know. You realize that last Monday, I don't think I posted anything because I had nothing to post. I told you I was done with the Minecraft on Monday. I might do Minecraft a different day of the week. Probably not. I'll probably stop that now. I mean, I know that's what I was for a long time. Not a long time. It was like 3 months. I don't know. Shut up. Um, so I think Scratch is mainly what I'm doing now. I mean, I do have Pokemon and the horror games, which do get some views, I guess. So that's good. I'll keep doing those. Um, so what I want to say is I'm opening up two studios, or I have opened up two studios that you can go to right now. And the two things that I've opened, I'll go over I think the most exciting one first, which is this one on this account, oh my goodness, which is what I will be doing every Monday now. If considering there's enough things for me to do about. So I'm on the DK minigame account, which is what this one studio is hosted on. If we go down, it is game requests, and in game requests, I'll read you what this is. Um, I just realized there's no R at the end of YouTuber. Lol, that was funny joke. Lol. So what this is a studio where you can go ahead and put in any of your games, any of the games that you want, any little things, mainly games mainly, and I'll go through three a video and I'll give you a rating out of 10 on my opinion. Again, I won't be like being mean, like. For example, I'll be like, "Oh, that's a good game." However, I did realize this kind of bug. I'll go through and I'll kind of critique it, and maybe I'll go into the code and show you how you can fix it up and make it better. Um, so yeah, go ahead, go to the link in the description and come to this game requests thing and go ahead and put in your games. One thing I would like you guys to do though is obviously I can't force you to do this. I'd like it if you only add one game a week, just so it's not just your games, just a bunch of your games. Like now that I don't want to play your games, but I want to play a multitude of different people. So please limit yourself to one game a week, so I can play some other people's games. That's all I really ask. Other than that, yeah, that's what this one is about. This one is so yeah, the game requests one. Again, it'll be in the description. You can click it, or you can just like copy this link right here, scratch.mit.edu/studio/272574764, and then you can go in there and put your stuff all up in this. So yeah, now I will show you the other one. And the other one, this will be on. This is managed by my DK tutorial one. Yeah, DK tutorial. And this is my tutorial dump. DkUniverse's Java. Shut up. This is my DkUniverse's tutorial dump. This is where I will put every single tutorial from now on that you see on the channel. You'll be able to see the project in here in this DkUniverse's tutorial dump studio. So, what this one is about is obviously you can come here to look at the tutorials. Like, obviously, this is the thumbnail tutorial that I did, I think, Friday. Actually, yeah, I think it is Friday, right? Um, so, you can read this stuff. It's just kind of telling you some of the rules. For example, when you're allowed to post your tutorials. If you have a tutorial project, like how like this, not again, don't post your games in this one. Don't post your games in this one. Those will get taken out. Just post your tutorials in here. Yeah, just post your tutorials. Maybe if you have a tutorial with the code, like, make a comment explaining what it does. And if you have a YouTube video to go along with the tutorial, do as I did here and put your YouTube name, right? And then also the link to your channel, whether that be a custom URL or whatever your random string of numbers and letters is. So yeah, that's what I hope you guys will do. I'm excited to see what you have ready. Again, videos will only come out Monday if there's enough games inside of the game requests studio. So yeah, please go ahead, post your games in that. I will definitely be playing those. The reason I'm doing this instead of telling you, hey, post your links in the comments, is when you post your links in the comments, YouTube marks like every URL someone posts in a comment as spam, and then I don't get the notification that you sent that comment. And I don't look through my spam comments very often. I look through it like once a week, so the chances of you getting me to play your game via that won't work too well. But yeah, go ahead, post your games in here. I will gladly take a look at them. And who knows, you might even be in a video. You never know. You never know. You never know. Alright, so yeah, that's all I want to do. That's all I want to talk about today. I just wanted to show you, hey, there's a place where you can now post your games. There's a place where you can now get your games played. There's a place where you can now get your games like a little bit of exposure. Oh my goodness, wow, exposure. You have 237 subscribers. You're so famous. Thank you, I know. But even if it's just a little bit, and people could come in here and when they're posting, they might see your games and click on them and be like, whoa. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it anyways, because, other people are going to be posting here. You don't have to, but, make other people happy by liking the video and going in there and liking and favoriting their games. Nerd. Do that. That'd make them feel good. I bet that'd make them feel really nice. They'd be like, oh my god, I'm so cool. I'm so cool, man. People are liking my stuff, man. And then the guy who liked it would be like, yeah, you are cool. Even if he's like, that game sucked, just like it anyways, dude. Make him feel good. Be a nice person, man. Spread positivity, alright? But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for... Oh, wait. Well, I forgot the one thing. Oh, subscribe. Subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Punch you right in the face. Be like, bam, bam. And it'll be like, no, stop, please. If you hit it more than once, you'll unsubscribe. Don't do that one. Please just hit it once. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.